What's good, YouTube? Late night type beat. So we about to head out to a car meet. A couple of my boys hit me up and they said it's a car meet, so we're about to go meet up with them, and then we're about to be out to the car meet. I'll give you a quick warm start. Car sounding good. We're about to go see what this meet's about. So I just pulled up to my boy's crib. So we waiting for C's because he always be taking forever. Cause you know he got that fast Nissan, so yeah.
He said he got that fast Nissan, yo. The Heltima?
Yeah, that sounds tough, right?
Yeah, that's quick.
I'm waiting for the Heltima to pull up.
People said, yo, count to 50 seconds and I'm gonna be right
Hey, let's do
there.
a little walk around on this E90 M3.
I bet you want to walk around on the M3.
So here today we
Why did I show you my golf cart?
got a nice little simple E90 M3. Not too much, you know. Carbon fiber grill. Not too much. He's got a
Clean, fresh headlights.
He's got a.
This is the right one.
He's got a Apex wheels on. Let's look at the Beamer that knocks.
3-piece. Yeah, that's drawing.
Just look at the
It's good fitment. Let's peep the fitment over here on this. This is what?
Right colored wheel, car wheel.
This is E46 what?
Yeah.
M3, right?
Yeah.
Peep the fitment. Look, big gap.
See over here. Motherfuckers can't fit their life in here.
That's good gap. And your tint is too light, bro. Bro, you need to go 3%.
And my front gotta be pretty good.
So yeah, this is his wheel. Follow him on the gram at King Moy.
Yup.
KV.
Yeah,
KVNG.
And then here we got the Heltima. Over here is pulling up.
Oh yeah, Helton over here.
Oh.
Hemi swap. Hear that supercharger?
He's on an upper pulley on full E85. And Matt.
Look at him.
And then we got this.
But yeah.
Oh shit, we got a Z01.
But yeah, we here. We about to leave after the meet. The bull that's always late just pulled up. Here they are. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we at the meet. All right, we stopped at Wawa to get some gas. Cause you know, big V8. Gotta always fill this joint up. So yeah, we about to get some 93. We're not on E yet. We're gonna be on E soon though. But yeah, we about to get some 93. We about to fill up a little bit. And then we about to be out. You see? We got the cars here. Cars here. Dame over there. But yeah, man, we just chilling. It's dumb nice out. Hopefully it doesn't rain by the time we get there. All right, so we just got here. I'm about to vlog a little bit for y'all. See what's up. This joint is packed. This joint is super packed. There's mad cars here too.
Let me take a picture. Let me go walk over there. I'm about to go over there.
Peep this though. Oh, y'all can't see. You see him? Look at Dame. Yo, you might as well went home and took a piss.
Hey, let's take a walk, yo.
Let's take a little walk. Yo. We about to take a walk on Sharo's left.
Oh, shit.
Yo, if I pass that whole... Me and Leah are about to go.
You get that shit after work, yo? Yeah, boy, yo.
Yeah, that's inevitable.
Yo, boy. You let me know that. Just a BK. You get that after work? No. Either before
Bro, he eats.
Oh, you talking about?
Bro, he eats BK every day.
Every day, yeah. This is after work, right? I thought he meant like that feeling. I'm like, what?
Oh, no.
He would have stopped him. Yeah. But can I go with you guys now? I had Popeye.
It's like, bro, like, what the fuck else am I supposed to eat? Third? Oh, shit.
Damn, this joint actually is lit, bro.
Y'all like the light, right?
What happened? Yeah, that don't stop.
Which one's
Literally 5 eyes. Like everybody knows that. Yeah, you didn't hear the. Like since they're so easy to make power, everybody wants to.
Yeah.
So
Especially the older Johns.
Yeah.
So that means everybody's gonna have your wheel.
Bro, that's like.
She look good.
Wait, hold on.
Here?
Yeah.
She look good.
Wait, is that you right here?
Yeah.
That is you, right?
Yeah.
I like the wheels.
That joint's nice too, bro.
Yo. He said that Joe nice, the Beamer.
Right?
Uh-huh. And I said that Joe nice.
Like that. That's you, bro.
Wait, what's you?
The blue Stang.
That's crazy.
The M340.
Ask Nikita in person.
Oh, so it's safety.
He said.
dual clutch or I thought they were dual clutch. They would make that one car.
There's some mopar. You know he going on. Whoever's car's in my video, they're not getting no free promo.
These are the guys right here.
Oh yeah, that's a fact.
This is the.
I'm putting that in.
Yo, he looked at me dumb serious. He's like, what, they made it happen? Bro, yeah, putting that in the video. My car.
I know he likes like that.
Is it actually? Hold on, bro.
Look at him. Is it actually?
It was the red one, right? It was the red one?
Yeah, the name.
Yo, this shit is hot as shit, bro.
Yeah, that should sound crazy.
No engine bay pop?
Burn it up right now, man.
Wow.
Shine the light. Damn.
Remind me of the shit.
Told you he had an intake.
Yeah. Yeah, this shit hot. You can't really hear the fucking suit. Alright, bro.
Hey, yo, this is stock?
Yeah, now it is.
Yeah.
I took everything off.
Hey, what you have on it? Like,
I had the
Pulley and shit?
I had the 3.0, upper, lower,
damn.
boarded, fucking transfer case, transmission. I blew all that shit. I had axles on there, tune, Diablo, everything you can think of.
How much were you pushing?
At the wheel,
Yeah.
probably like 9.
Do you think that Diablo tuner works?
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
Nah, I prefer like an actual tune.
Right.
Really tune. Like you could get that thing in the mail. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the Diablo just can give you the basics, but
Like a Jay Green?
yeah.
You heard of that, right? Yeah.
I'm shit is done too. I mean, I've been snapping axles. I just put $10,000 transmission in it.
Damn.
Just putting the transfer case back in it, so I'm done racing.
That should be taking a toll, right?
It do, man.
It do.
Especially if you racing for like $1,000, and then you gotta pay $10,000 for the transmission if it break. It ain't worth it.
Yeah, at all.
Oh, 900 wheels?
It ain't worth
That
it.
one side.
Think his rev limiter's off?
Right, that shit was 20,000.
Yo, what? That shit wine, right? What?
Fucking lip on that bitch. Not that much.
Damn. That's a fact, right?
Dave, that song give me one?
Nah, he's German. We like American. He's mad because he likes German.
That joint's thick.
This one?
Yeah.
Nah, bro. The craziest John I keep catching my eye is that yellow M3.
Yeah, that one's like. Fuck,
You know I was about to go German too.
No, that black one, look.
That shit is really bagged out.
Damn, now he's saying, bro.
See that? You hear that chop?
It is a fucking track car.
Wow.
I knew it, bro. I fucking knew
Bro,
it.
that joint is chopping. Listen. crazy, bro.
Right here, right here.
Ah, it's going the other way a little.
Even.
It just had the M on it. Only the M. That's your boy, right?
Yeah.
That's your boy with 1,000 horsepower M3. Bro, go take a picture of the track, not this.
Fuck the track. How about that?
Everybody dipping now. Look at everybody leaving. Cops pulled up. But yeah, it was crazy. Bro, them BMWs are crazy. Let's get a quick little pull. Quick little pull. So we dip in the car meet. I'm about to get back on with y'all when we get back to the spot. We're about to go back to where the boys live at. All right, we just got back. I figured I'll talk to y'all a little bit while I'm waiting for C's, Dame, Moy, and Lee. Yeah, I was the first one back because, you know, big SRT. Of course we the first one back. It's like, but yeah, we just sitting. Let me know what y'all want to see on my channel. If anybody has any requests, I'm looking to get the videos popping. It's like, what do y'all want to see? I got some ideas still for videos I'm gonna do in the future. I'm gonna definitely keep these bangers coming. I'm gonna try and bring y'all different content too, so it's not just one thing. So it's not all boring and all that. Mods on the way, a lot of mods on the way for the car. Just hit 47,000 miles actually. I probably hit it on the way there. Nah, I love this car though. I was thinking about selling it. Nah, I'm gonna keep it and build it. All right, well, they just got back, so I think I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I appreciate everybody for watching. It was lit tonight. Cops pulled up, as y'all seen. Like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out. I'm trying to grow the channel. Y'all know that already. Big build coming for the SRT8, and I'll see y'all in the next video.